Lavender is one of the most aromatic herbs that you can plant in your garden or in a pot on your balcony. Originating from the Middle East, India, and the Mediterranean, this floral sweet purple flower belongs to the mint family. Lavender is widely used in the cosmetic industry due to its magical antiseptic benefits on the skin. But it's also used in the culinary world as well to make essential oil and lavender wine. How to add lavender in tea? Adding lavender to your tea will increase the antiseptic powers of your base tea, as well as potentiate the aroma and add calming effects. You can add fresh or dried lavender buds to any tea of your choice. All you need to do is pour hot tea over 3 teaspoons of fresh or dried buds and let it steep for 10 minutes. How to prepare pure lavender tea? Boiling lavender buds is not an option because they could lose most of their properties during the process. The best way to prepare pure lavender tea is by adding the buds to a teapot and pouring them over with hot water. Cover the teapot and let it steep for 10 minutes. For each teaspoon of lavender buds, you need approximately 2 ounces of water. The more you steep the flowers, the more intense the floral flavor of your tea will be. Why is adding lavender to your tea good? Lavender has multiple health properties that go way beyond skincare and soaps. The infusion has been used as a medicine for at least 2,500 years, and it is still widely appreciated today in some parts of the world. Lavender tea induces calmness and provokes sleepiness in insomniacs. It promotes gut health, including reducing intestinal gases, reducing abdominal swelling, calming an upset stomach, and helping with nausea. Lavender tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It has detoxifying effects on the body. Lavender tea can boost your immune system and prevent viral diseases. Does lavender tea have side effects? Drinking a cup of lavender tea a day is totally safe for adults without allergies. However, if you overindulge yourself with lavender tea, you may experience mild headaches, increased appetite, and constipation. Nevertheless, you would need to drink a boatload of lavender tea to provoke side effects, so there's no need to worry. Does lavender tea make you sleepy? Promoting total body relaxation and soothing the nervous system, lavender is one of the best bedtime teas that you could opt for. Ingest lavender tea a half hour before going to bed and when you're done with all physical activity, as it may cause a couch lock effect and make you sleepy in no time. Is lavender tea good for weight loss? Lavender tea promotes weight loss by boosting metabolism and inducing fat burn. Also, this tea has between 0 to 8 calories per cup, which makes it a healthy alternative to sugary sodas and milkshakes. Does lavender tea suppress appetite? Lavender tea is rich in essential oils that help decrease anxiety and stress in humans. These 2 conditions are often related to unhealthy overeating in adult individuals. By calming the symptoms of anxiety and stress, lavender tea directly affects appetite and promotes healthy weight limits. Final word. Lavender is an extraordinary aromatic herb from the mint family, packed with multiple health benefits, including improved sleep, detox, weight loss, anti-inflammatory, improving digestive work, reducing intestinal gases, relaxation, and decreasing anxiety. Safe to drink and easy to prepare, lavender tea is the best tea option for bedtime relaxation and improved sleep quality. Don't forget to tap the like button.